The question I got asked is this: how do I move bullet points in a Google Doc, left or right? I'm going to show you how to do that in this video, but before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button. I create all of these videos for you. So I'm going to open up a new Google Doc. I'm just going to New, Google Doc, and give me a minute. I'm going to set up some bullet points in here. Hang on a minute. Now I just typed in a list of items. That's all I did was type a list of items. I'm going to select and highlight them just by clicking in front of the B. Just put my cursor in front of the B. Now I can hold the shift key and the down arrow and highlight these. Or if I want to, I can move my mouse up there and click on my left mouse button, hold it and highlight that. Now let's put bullets on that. I go over here. Here's a bullet point. So I can go get the bullet points or the numbered list. It doesn't make any difference which one I do. But you'll notice they moved in, and I may not want them there. So here's how you do this. You'll notice if I put my cursor on this line right here, it shows the two lines right there, the indent and the left margin there. But if I click on the word blankets or any of these other words in here, you'll notice that the left margin is right here, the first line indent, and then you'll notice right here the left indent. Now if I want to move, if I highlight, you have to highlight all the bullet points. Okay, and then you move this cursor here. You can see I moved the whole thing to the left. I can move it right over here like this, and it moves everything to the left. Now, if I just grab the first line indent, you see that? If I move that back, look what happens to that. It stretches that out and puts more of a space in there. So what you have to do, and by the way, if you do something you didn't want to do, just do Command or Control Z, and it puts it back. So you can make a decision. Do I want to move everything together collectively? Do I want to move everything to the right or left, and then move the first line indent so it spaces it out like that? So you can adjust it any way you want just by grabbing these icons on the top ruler and move them around. Again, if you grab this right here, it moves them both. If you grab the top blue item, you'll see it just moves the first line indent. So this is really the only way to move your bullets to the left or to the right is, again, highlight all the bullets in this particular bullet or this particular list, and then use either one of these two icons to make the distance bigger between the two, or move everything to the left or everything to the right. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful.